So my baby bird robin fell out of the tree, and I don't think it can fly yet. I'm not sure. But look at the mommy coming over and feeding it on the ground. Look at. It flew a little bit. Oh, it flew. Uh-oh, now it's upside down. Oh, no. I should go out there and maybe see if I can help it. I don't know. Oh, it's upside down. There's Daddy. And Mommy's over here. Where's she at? Oh boy. Uh-oh, it flipped up. Oh no. It's stuck. Oh my gosh, now if there's actually 3 around it trying to help. Oh, Mommy's chasing the other ones away. I don't know if I can even get out there. She might attack me. Shoot, baby bird. Alright, I'm going to take a little box and I'm going to see if I can go out there and see if I can help. Alright, I'll let you know what happens. Okay, so I picked up the bird, and for some reason the bird doesn't have like buoyance. I don't know if you'd say buoyancy like a fish, but like it won't sit straight up. It keeps falling over. So I have an old nest here that I got from our yard from when the blue jays killed the baby eggs. So I saved that nest. So I put it in a bucket, and I'm going to see about putting this baby in this nest. Because I think then, now let me just check where Mama's at, because she's not happy with me right now. But the baby keeps falling over. So I'm going to put the baby in this nest. I'm going to put it under the tree here, so it's protected. Okay. Look at the baby. Hi, baby. Hi, my baby. Aw. It's okay, buddy. We're going to help you, okay? I help you. I'm going to help you. All right, you just go in here. Sit in here. There you go. Now sit. Can you sit in there? Now stay in. Stay in that nest, okay? All right, buddy? You want to put the towel in there? All right, you're good. You know what? It's like his legs broke. Oh, he just did a nosedive out of the nest. Okay, please sit in there and stay. Now stay. Be a good baby and stay, okay? You be a good baby and stay. All right, I'm going to let you go because Mama can come over and check on you. I'll come back and check on you again. I'm going to say a prayer for you, and I hope everything's going to be okay, all right? Okay. Oh, here she comes. She's flying above me. All right, I got to go back. Under the shelter now of my porch. The baby is there. And boy, Mama is not happy. Baby is still sitting in the nest, which I can see. She's really yelling at me. So I'm very hopeful she comes down and helps the baby. But it just seems like his legs, I don't know. Oh, he's getting really active. Please don't fall out of the nest. Oh, he's hopping. Okay. Please don't fall out of the nest. Oh, I think me being outside is still a little too close for Mama before she comes down, so I'm going to go inside Just gonna take one more quick... don't swoop down on me. I'm just gonna take one more quick look. Oh, baby's still sitting there. Okay. Don't swoop. Please don't swoop. I'm helping. Okay. All right. Baby is in the nest. Baby's in the nest. Okay. All right. So we're going to go. My neighbors are waving at me. I think they think I'm crazy, but I do love birds. And I've been rooting for this little one for so long because the blue jays here already killed a whole set of her eggs. So I'm really hopeful that this one makes it. All right, I'm gonna step out because she's really swooping now. Okay, I'll try to message when I get back, or try to video when I get back in. Okay, so baby bird does not like the nest, so I moved the nest, but I give him a little support. So he's kind of sitting in the corner here. Now Mama, I don't know where she went, but he's at least sitting. So we're at least safe that way. He's not upside down, and he's safe in his little bucket. So as you can hear, it's quiet. I've been sitting inside watching, and Mama hasn't come back. So I'm hoping she does come back. Really hoping she comes back. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do with the baby robin, but I'll figure it out. But you know what? His eyes are closed. He's content. If you can see him, he's really content right now. He's not stressed out. He's not upside down. He's right side up. So we have a lot of positives going. So hopefully I'll keep an eye on him as the day goes and see how everything's going. Okay, well, wish us all luck. So please say a little prayer for this little bird. I just can't. You can't die, okay? Gotta hang in here with me. All right. I'll be back in an hour and I'll check on you again. Okay? All right. Be good. Success. Mama is feeding the baby. So, victory. Victory in the name of Jesus. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, Mama came back for the baby. Baby's safe in this box, protected. And, oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. So sweet. I just love nature. I love animals. I just love it. I'm so happy I was able to help. I actually could cry. Yes, I'm getting choked up by a robin. But you know what? She's my good little mama. She never gave up. The blue jays came in. They broke all of her eggs. She went and built a new nest. I saved the nest for her, but she didn't want to use it. She built a new one. And she had 3 more little babies. Sadly, this bad storm came here last night. That Tropical Storm Faye. I'm thinking that's how this little one fell out. I'm not sure, but she's running around here picking up more bugs. Worms, bugs, whatever, for him out of our yard. And I'm just so happy. So happy. So happy this little guy is saved. For now, I'm going to keep watching over him. Praying over him that he'll be okay. I love his little head sticking up. He's like, Mom, come back. I'm hungry. That little beetle tasted really good. She'll be back. She's just going around the tree. Oh, I'm so happy that she came back. I was so scared because she was so quiet for a while. I was really scared she was quiet. My dog's panting here. He wants outside. And I'm like, nope, can't go outside. Oh, I see Mama. She's on the other side of the planter over here. There she is. She's trying to get more bugs for him. His little, oh, look at his little head going. He's like, hey, where'd you go? Oh, here she comes. Oh, there she is. She's like, I'm coming. Bear, you cannot go outside. No, no, no. Oh, yeah, she is digging. Come on, Mama. You're gonna get some bugs, some worms, make them feel better, give them some strength, nourishment. Yeah, he'll be okay. He'll be okay. We do have fox that are around in our area. So my only concern is tonight. That's my concern. Is if he's not gone by tonight, what I'm going to do about tonight. Because I don't want to bring him in the house because I have 2 cats. That's going to be a nightmare. But I am worried about the fox because we do have a couple fox. All right, well, I think she's still digging, so I'm going to let her go, but just so you know that she did come back and feed him. Yay! The little baby was just a little stunned because he is now here. Hi, Bubba. How are you? Are you okay? How are you doing? Are you okay now? Are you all right? Look at you sitting straight up. Look at you sitting straight up. You hopped out of your nest. You hopped from all the way from there to here and you're sitting. So hopefully you're doing good. Now that was just an hour. I think you were stunned. Okay? Well, I'm gonna let you be, but I'll check on you again. Glad you're improving. Very happy to say you're improving. Mama's not around. Well, she's around. Oh, yeah, she's over there. She's watching me from the rooftop. She's on the roof watching me. All right, little buddy. I'm glad you're okay. I am really glad you're okay, Bubba. Jumped up. Oh my goodness. You just jumped up. You okay? Look at you, you just jumped. You just jumped right into my hand. I just went down to pet you and you jumped right in my hand. Oh my goodness gracious. Absolutely blessing. Were you just saying thank you? You're quite welcome, Bubba. All right, I'm going to put you down. I want you to fly. This is too tall. Don't fly yet, okay? Okay, come on. Go. There you go. There you go. Look at you. Did you just say thank you? Well, you're quite welcome. You're quite welcome. I hope you grow up big and strong. And you have babies and bring them back here and bring your babies back here for me, okay? And I'll watch over them too.